भाई इसीलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि पेपर भेजेगा। हाँ कोई बात नहीं, वो जैसे होगा मैं कहीं भी किसी को दिखाने से पहले एक बार
रिमोट
I'll message you if there's anything else that you want to send across.
ड्रोन This is extra propeller and C2C type cable and screwdriver and this is also extra propeller and manuals. That's it. So how to open, sir? Okay. Sir will tell you, sir. Yeah. Come there.
You can keep it right now, like this only.
Yeah.
इसको तार फिलाओ. Full tap and long press.
Single tap first and
And
long
then long
press.
press. This will be good. Now we'll be opening it.
So what will be the range of this, sir? How many distance it will travel? Height and
Height is 500 meters. And
500 meters. Okay.
So in India, let me show it to you, sir. Everything. Just let me get it activated first. Next, agree. Here we'll be selecting our country, India. Now we'll be connecting with Wi-Fi. Any email, like registration you have done on the
Yeah, already I have done my email ID.
You can the email ID.
Sure. So what are all features are there in this?
I understand it.
So can you get water?
Yes, sir. Water.
Water was there. Okay, water supply, I don't know what had happened to that.
Sir, like what? To this.
First, we'll need to open this gimbal guard. Press it.
You have to press that and you have to remove.
Yes, you'll have to press. And then you will have to remove. This also you'll have to remove.
Okay. This is like gimbal only, right?
Yeah, this is the gimbal.
Okay.
Now to open this, this one, this one,
Okay.
this one, and this one. Correct? Now it's getting turned on. Before turning it on, the gimbal guard should be removed. Why? Because it will try to calibrate itself. If it is not removed, inside the gimbal wire is there, that will be getting broken. For no reason, that wire, it's actually a chipped wire.
Okay.
So that will
So for back seat there is no any stand.
no, it will be standing like this only.
Okay. See, actually front there is a two stand. Back seat.
Giving the authorization. Now we are activating the aircraft. I could have given you the gimbal.
Yeah, it will be good.
It's already after. Now it's connected. Now we'll be taking out this. We'll be taking out this. And we'll be installing it.
So now it is calibrated, huh?
No, it's already calibrated. If any calibration will be required, if you'll be clicking it here, So if anything will be, any errors will be there, it will be coming here. Yellow, general, no issues. Red, some major problem.
So now there is something or
So aircraft not in flight, vision system and obstacle avoidance disabled.
Mm.
Until unless it will be getting taken off. So here the sensing system will be unavailable. Once I'll be turning it on. Once I'll be turning it on.
How to start? Sir?
Once I'll be turning it on.
Can you operate that camera?
After taking it off, this button you are seeing, upward arrow, touch it, long press it, release it. Now, the left side part is for moving the drone.
ಅವ್ರು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿ.
For moving the drone up and down, up and down, you will have to press the left side. For spinning the drone, the same left and right.
For rotating which one?
This one only.
Okay.
Up, down, rotate, rotate.
Okay.
Right side is for movement, front movement, back movement, left movement, right movement.
Okay.
What is this one? Now this is H button. H is for return to home. Long press. From where it took off, it will be coming back to the same location. But the satellite signal should be available. Right now it will not work. Here the satellite signal is zero. Why? Because we are inside the house. So when before flying outside also, wait for the satellite signal to come at least 15.
15. Okay.
So 1 or 2 minutes it will take and it will be getting connected.
Okay.
The back side, this roller is for moving the gimbal up and down.
Okay.
The right side is for zoom in and zoom out. Back side C1, C2 is there. So C1, if I am pressing C1, the gimbal will go 90 degree down and will check the landing area.
You have to, while landing, we need to press that.
No. Just to check. Just suppose your drone is far away from you, you have very limited battery and you can't take it back to your location. You have to land it immediately. So you don't know the ground, how it is. So just press C1, check the ground area, whether it is fine to land it or there. And land it. The right side. The left side, so going down. Just push it long press down. It will be landing.
Long press, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
Can I operate? Can you just teach me? Or you have to put charge or what?
Just you can take it off.
Battery is
Because anyways you will have to fly it outside only.
So what should I do? India Bara Maisha. What should I do?
This one. Long press this. And release it.
Take off.
Do a little bit more up. And do it very gently. Don't do completely. Very slow. It will coming down. It will coming down. Left and right. You can do. Okay. Very good. Very good. This one. Button button click. Okay. Do that. You are on the bumper position. This is enough. Okay. Now. Battery is 10%, so let's stop it for now.
So automatically it will only land off when battery is too low.
Huh.
Okay.
So now for turning it off, here it is. Return to home you should keep at 50 meters. Return to altitude, towards altitude is that means like if your drone you given the command to return to home if it is far. So if it will be first going to that height, whatever height you set. It will going to 50-meter height and then it will start coming back to the location. So that is what RTH. Rest everything is okay right now. Transmission. So these things you can explore and get like on which mode, resolution 48 megapixel camera or 12 megapixel, like your mobile phone camera.
Okay.
Nothing more. And here everything is correct.
So this map, when it will open?
Here it is not connected with satellite, so that's why it is
So
not
minimum
showing.
15. It should be above 15.
15 minimum.
Minimum 15.
In India generally it's 15 to 18 only.
15 to 18 only.
Satellite signals.
Okay.
For again turning it off, single tap and long press.
So how many hours we need to put charge for this console?
Until it becomes 4.
4. Okay. And what about that?
Same if you will be using a 65 watt charger. So it will take for each battery 30 to 35 minutes.
So you have to, while flying, we need to just...
For having good range. If you are flying nearby only, it will be close also no issues. Now to turn it off. Two side buttons are there. If you will be seeing, here also one button is there. So this is for auto takeoff.
Which one?
This one. Don't press this.
How auto take it will take?
Don't press it, sir. It's risky little bit. In खास करके in compact area. This one with light, the button is there. So you should press single tap and long press.
Okay, just guide about this, how to remove the battery and...
For removing the battery, just hold it like this. Two buttons you can see. Press it and take it out. Same for putting. After putting the battery, it will
Calibrate.
turn on. When the wings will be opened, it will be turned on directly. When the wings will be closed, it will be not turned on.
So that is for off.
No, again I did off.
Okay. Okay, once you put battery, automatically it will turn
If
on.
it will be wings are open. When the wings are closed, I'm taking out the battery as well. Again putting, it will be not turning on. When the wings are open, at that time it will turn on. If I will be now opening the wings, it will be getting turned on.
Okay. I didn't understand what button is this.
This is for auto takeoff, so it can fly without giving the command through remote controller. So some modes are there. That the modes you have seen, that surrounding or the one tracking one of the. So this area you are seeing, this area will be going like this. Then this will be adjusting on this, pressing and locking.
Okay.
You can do one thing from your hand. Just remove it. Press it.
Press. Central remove.
Same now. Put it back. Press it and then this one you will have to press.
Okay.
And while this is on this, don't open it. It is on this. If you will be opening, it will be getting turned on. The gimbal will try to calibrate, and inside wires will be broken. So then,
Open this.
then
Okay.
remove. Because gently. What is the main thing? While removing, what people are doing, holding it from here. Then also it is. So hold it from here. The two different parts.
Okay.
That's why I'm putting the pressure here, not on this, which can be like removed.
Okay. So this button as of now don't need to use, right?
And not required. Anyways, you will be flying with this, so the same
so
button is
don't need to
available.
press this.
No need to press this.
Okay. To on this, first one click and next long button.
For this, no need to tap any button. Just open it. Open it. It will be getting turned on.
Directly it will turn on.
Yes.
Okay. And what about this?
Card and for charging the battery directly through the roll.
Okay.
You can charge it from here or here also, but better to charge it from charging hub only.
Don't need to add. inbuilt what is GB stored to capture?
It is not in
the
the
video?
video. It will be here. So some 2-3 GB. You will be requiring a memory card. Get back. It will not fall.
Okay. So, well, after going home, I need to put charge now.
Yes, yes, everything. The through
And
charging.
calibration is done now.
Yeah, it's done. If it will be
Any firmware update we need to do right now.
only firmware update by connecting with Wi-Fi.
How to do that one?
While once you will be going into the interface, firmware update will be showing.
So that even I need to on this also.
Yes.
Both
has to be connected. Firmware will be getting updated for this, not this.
This also I need to on and this also I need to on and I need to update.
But don't do the firmware update right now. So for doing firmware update, DJI forum is a website where you can find, you can search it. What is the latest version of Flip? Is there any bug or not? What is the benefit?
How can I come to know that one?
This search. DJI Flip. Just type DJI Flip. Latest firmware. If you are searching this, you can see here.
So sure, now I need to not update the firmware.
No, don't update directly. Not for now, but at any time. So if any directly test, I'm going to. So this is the place where people used to talk about anything about DJ. So we'll be reading here. If any issues will be there, like firmware is something like software update of your mobile. Sometimes along with software, some issues are also coming. So if you will be doing the issues before, you will be not upgrading it.
Okay.
By chance, by mistake, if you will be upgrading the software and there some issues are also there, then it will be difficult. So right now you can't see any issues are there, you can do it.
Okay. So can you remove this and put off here so that I go home and put charge? So totally 4 batteries you can charge here.
Yeah.
Okay. What will be the cost of the battery? Any idea?
This battery,